You ever try to style a component in Angular? It's not just styling. It's like putting together an outfit with unlimited accessories. You start with CSS, nice and simple. Then you think, maybe a little SCSS to spice things up. Then class binding shows up like, what if we dress dynamically? And before you know it, you're binding styles in TypeScript, injecting global styles, and wrapping everything in a NG deep trench coat like a secret agent. And let's be real, inline styles, they feel like sending a text instead of an email. Quick, direct, but also slightly chaotic. I'll just add this one little style color red here, and then another, and suddenly my HTML is a murder scene of inline styles. And class binding is great, but sometimes it feels like a game show. All right, folks, let's play Which Class Gets Applied. Contestant number 1 is dark mode and user logged in. Contestant number 2 has permissions or wants to use CSS. And contestant number 3, math random greater than 0.5. Which one wins? I don't know. I just hope it's the right one. And then there's ViewEncapsulation. It's like a bodyguard for your styles. Sorry, generic styles, you're not on the list. It's keeping your styles safe inside the component. No more worrying about some rogue button class from your main style sheet sneaking in and wrecking the vibe. But sometimes I want to be the rogue stylist, so I pull out NG Deep like it's a master key, like I'm hacking into the system. Enhance, override, inject the styles. We're in. And don't even get me started on media queries in Angular, because at that point, I'm not just writing CSS, I'm conducting a symphony. All right, at 768 pixels, everybody take your places. Grid, you expand. Font size, you shrink. Button, you stay center stage and look fabulous. And if it doesn't work, slap an important on it like duct tape and call it a day. At the end of the day, styling in Angular is like a choose-your-own-adventure book, except no matter what you choose, the app still looks good. So yeah, bring on the options, because no matter how you style your app, whether it's with SCSS, class binding, or just saying, let's see what Tailwind does, at the end of the day, the user is still going to ask for dark mode. Thank you, Angular folks. You could have been anywhere, but you chose to talk about styles in Angular with me instead of spending time with loved ones, and I respect that. Just remember, whether you're using CSS, SCSS, or just refreshing your browser like it owes you money, at some point, you're gonna blame the cache. Thank you.